Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing high-quality sea moss. Buy raw wildcrafted sea moss or clean dried sea moss from reputable suppliers to avoid contaminants. Rinse sea moss thoroughly under cold water. Inspect for shells and sand, remove debris with kitchen tweezers, and spread the moss out to air for a few minutes. If it smells strongly of sea decay, discard it. Smaller pieces are fine. Keep color ranging from golden to deep purple. Cleanliness at this stage prevents grit in the final gel product. Place the cleaned sea moss in a non-reactive bowl and cover completely with filtered water. Use enough water so pieces can move freely. Soak sea moss 12 to 48 hours with 2 changes of water, allowing it to expand 3 to 5 times its dry size. Trim discolored bits before blending for best texture and flavor. Keep the bowl refrigerated if soaking longer than 24 hours. After soaking, squeeze gently to remove excess salt water and reserve some soaking liquid for blending to control consistency. Transfer soaked sea moss and 2 to 3 cups fresh filtered water to a high-speed blender and blend until silky smooth, adding reserved soaking liquid a tablespoon at a time to reach desired thickness. Blend in lemon, ginger, or pineapple for flavor if desired. Pour into sterilized glass jars, leaving a small headspace, and refrigerate. Refrigerate gel in glass jars and use within 3 to 4 weeks, or freeze portions for up to 6 months. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in smoothies, soups, or topical masks. Heat above 100.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.